Hi, this is exercise 5.3, seventh problem. Find dy by dx of sine square y plus cos of xy in equal to pi. Okay, in this trigonometry functions, power also is there. Okay, first let us differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of sine square y plus d by dx of cos of xy is equal to d by dx of pi. Okay, so now you just take this first function sine square y. So in this we have a power. First we have to differentiate this power. Next we have to move on to that sine x. At last the y function. Okay, now we'll do this for a sine square y. So sine square y, now it is in the form of d by dx of x to the power n. Okay, then n into x to the power n minus 1. This is the formula of x to the power n. Now in the place of x we are having sine y power n is equal to 2. Okay, now you try to use it, n into x to the power n minus 1. So 2 into the value of x is sine y, and 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So I didn't use that 1, we don't want to write it. Next thing is, now we have differentiate this power. Next we'll move on to that sine y. So the differentiation of sine y is equal to cos y. Sorry, sine x is equal to cos x. Then d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sine y, sine x. Okay, now we are differentiating this sine y. When you are differentiating this sine y, we will be getting that cos y. Now we have to move on to that y. Okay, so now we are differentiating with respect to x, but in the place of x we are having y. So when we differentiate this y value, y function, we'll be getting that dy by dx. Okay, so this is the differentiation part of sine square y. Next we'll move on to that cos xy. Here in this cos of xy, we have a two different functions are there, x and y, two different functions are there. We'll be going for using uv method. Okay, first you just differentiate that trigonometric part. So cos of x, the differentiation of cos of x is equal to minus sin x. Now we'll do that. Cos x, total term x and y, you can consider that as a x. Then differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sine of x. So xy. Okay. Next, you just differentiate this x and y in the form, the method of uv method. Okay. So x and so uv is equal to u into dv plus v into du. You try to use that. So you can have a x first, differentiate that y part, then dy by dx, plus you can have y first, differentiate that x. When we differentiate the x part, we will be getting 1. Okay, is equal to pi is the constant function, so we are getting 0. Next thing is, from this you just multiply this term and bring that dy by dx term to left side, other terms to bring it to right side. Here in this, just you can multiply this you just bring this term here, minus sine of xy into x of dy by dx minus sine xy into y. Okay, from these two terms dy by dx you take it as common. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into sine y into cos y minus of x into sine xy is equal to, I have brought this term to right side, y into sine of xy. Then dy by dx is equal to y of sine xy divided by 2 into sine y into cos y minus x into sine xy. Okay. Now problem number 9. Find dy by dx y equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So now we are going to differentiate with respect to x. As we all know this, differentiation of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is the differentiation value of sine inverse of x. Okay, now let us do that. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now, so the same problem we can do it in a two different method. One is this way, another one is you can bring the sine inverse to the left side. So when we bring the sine inverse to left side, it becomes sine y. Okay, inverse, the inverse term sine inverse, when we bring this to left side, it comes as a sine of y. Okay, directly you can differentiate it. Sine y, when we differentiate sine y, will be getting cos y into dy by dx is equal to, this is in the u by v method. Okay, that method also you can try that. Now I have done this method directly. So y equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now I am going to differentiate this part. So y is equal to, when we differentiate this y, dy by dx. Now I am using this directly, that in the sine inverse of x method. So sine inverse of here 2x by 1 plus x square I am going to consider as a x. Now totally I am going to get it 1 by 1 plus x square, sine inverse of x. The differentiation of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 1 plus x square, the whole term I have considered as x. So 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Okay, now so first I have differentiated only the sine inverse part. Now we have to differentiate this, the bracket terms. Okay, so here this is in the form of u by v method. Here I'll do it. So consider that, let u is 2x and v is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, then find the first derivative of this. Du is equal to 2, dv is equal to 2x, because 1 is a constant term. So differentiation of constant term equal to 0. Then differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. Okay, now we know the formula. d of u by v is equal to v into du minus u into dv divided by v square. Okay, then v is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, directly we will take that. So the term of v is equal to 1 plus x square, du is equal to 2 minus of 2x, the value of u is equal to 2x, dv also 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square divided by v square term. Okay, now you just simplify this term, we'll get the answer. Okay, so 2 plus 2x square minus 4x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Next thing is take LCM and then bring this term to numerator. We'll get 1 plus x square the whole square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square plus 2x the whole square into here, for 2x square minus 4x square. So 2 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. You just cancel this two terms, and then remaining terms are 2 minus 2x square divided by, here in the it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. You just substitute that a plus b the whole square formula. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Substitute and then simplify this. Okay, now we will get dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x square divided by 1 plus 6x square plus x to the power 4. Okay, thank you.